Hey, it's my BoxyCharm. It is the Glam Bag BoxyCharm Icon Box Refreshments. In my case, it's BoxyCharm. And yeah, we're going to go through here and see what I finally got. This is Miss Jackie Russell, and welcome to my channel. And my box was going around about Dallas. It was going to Dallas, to Grand Prairie, to Dallas. Finally, it got to the right facility or the right person, and they put it on the truck to come to Wills Point. So after a long wait, I got my box. BoxyCharm is $32 a month, and that's including, I believe, $1.99 handling, or they call it shipping now, plus tax, which costs me around $36.79 a month. You get to pick out 3 products, and they pick out 2 for you, so it's kind of fun. And then after that, if that's not enough, they let you go to their special buy section after you have selected your picks. They give you 2 picks, you pick 3, then you can go to their special shopping area for subscribers, and you can buy items as low as $3 to $6 to $12 to $25, all the way up to $50. It's all special buys, and I did buy a few. And yeah, my box I think is around $379 value, not counting one of the items that I got, because I'm sure that probably toppled it on over to close to 500, 400 and something for sure. Or at least that's what I think. I don't know. And I did buy some add-ons. I want to try to separate my add-ons from the other, but I also want to see what they picked for me. I don't remember what they picked for me. Yes, I do. Okay. What they picked for me, and they had a bunch of different items that they could have picked. So far, I haven't seen anyone else get the Bare Minerals, and this is the original liquid mineral concealer. So I was really excited. I got it in the medium. They call it the medium tan 3.5W for warm, and I was actually excited about this. Now, I haven't really used very many of Bare Minerals brand product, but I would think this would be a good concealer, and so I'll consider using it, and I think it'll match my skin okay. I just dotted it on there, and you can hardly tell that it's there, so that means it's probably a good match. Just blend that in. Maybe we can conceal some of my dark spots there. Yeah, I think it did. So that is the Bare Minerals, and very good there. That I'm very pleased with that. So I'm so happy that I got it, and I can't wait to give it a test out on my eyes. I normally use Estee Lauder concealer, so we'll see how it compares. The next thing they picked out for me is You Are Very Beautiful. And this is the Shades of Shan, and it is the Pore Diffusion Primer. So I'm going to have a primer to put on after I use my concealer, and this is very pretty packaging. It's pink, my favorite color, and let's see, it just says it's a primer. It's how many ounces? 1.2 ounces. And I will be trying this out. I've been trying the different primers that I've been getting. Today I have on the YSL that I got. I think I got that out of one of my Macy's box, but that's what this primer looks like. It doesn't really have a scent, and it's kind of got a smooth finish to it, so that's going to be lovely. Yeah, I like a good primer, and I always do use a primer. Pore diffusing, so very nice. Okay, I love the 2 picks that they picked for me. What do you think? You like them too? And like I said, I really like the fact that I got this. So I'm happy with my picks, or the picks that they picked for me. You let me know what you think. Now, what did I choose? Well, one of my choices, I could pick the Ultra Pair Rescue Barrier Balm. Now, this is just a little bit different. It's got 1% dimethicone, And I can't remember what that's actually supposed to do, but I think it's supposed to help preserve my barrier, which I would need with my psoriasis is what I'm thinking, because it says it's ultra repair, skin protectant. So I'm going to keep this, of course, and I'm going to use this around my psoriasis area. It's not sealed, so I'm going to pull some up. It's kind of like in one of those tin type containers, and I just might put some on right here. I think I put it on my on my jewelry instead, just to see how it feels. It feels nice. It's not burning or anything, so that is good. All right, so we'll see how that little one area does, but I knew I'd like this. I have been really loving their products. I don't know what any of the values are on this. I'll just probably have to do that during my editing. I'll add that up there. The next thing that I picked was the Desnudus Exotica palette, and I've been seeing this. Other people picked it too, and it's a very beautiful palette. These are the colors that we have. I don't even know if y'all can see that. It's just a glare on my end, so we're not going to be able to see colors there. But let's get the palette out, because I believe it's a very pretty palette. They've got the same packaging on the outside as they do on the inside as they do on the outside, with all that gold foil and everything that's on there. Very, very pretty. It's the Exotica palette. Ooh, now mine doesn't have a cover over it. I'm surprised about that, but there was no cover. It does have a mirror, so I'll lift this up high. But aren't those gorgeous colors? You've got all the mattes down on bottom and all your shimmers on top. That is going to be so pretty. Oh yeah, I'm going to like that. Very pretty palette. So let me know, do you like that too? I do. And the last thing that I picked was the brushes. Now, I found that these brushes are kind of relatively new. It's TYS, and that's the brand, Treat Yourself Brush Set. It's a blend and set introducing 2 essential face brushes. Each brush in the Treat Yourself brush set is designed with vegan fibers and precise shape for seamless blending and streak-free application. And we have a powder brush, sets angel face, packed powder, and overall complexion. And then we have the blush brush, blends and diffuses cheeks. So I'm going to open this up because I am going to use it, if I can get them open. Well, I may have to cut it. There we go. Now we can get to these beautiful brushes. I heard these are really good, and it is a new brand. And I had also seen, I think on True Once, that in her glam bag, she got like a blender brush or a choice, and she picked the blender brush to try to get the full set. But these are very, very nice. Oh, this is very soft. So these are going to be very nice to use. It tells you that that's the blush brush, and it tells us that this is the powder blush. So I'll be using that for my powder. That's going to be really nice. All right, okay, I'm loving this box. They did a good job, I think. Now, what did I buy for add-ons? Well, they had the Wander Beauty again. You get 6 eye patches of the 24 karat gold baggage claim, and you get 6 in a package. So I got that again. And they had Too Faced in there. They had Lip Injection Too Faced, and I don't remember getting this. So I wonder if this is a free gift. I don't know. Now I'm really starting to wonder. I don't remember purchasing this. I did purchase like the Too Faced Kissing Jelly Gloss, and it looks like I got 2 of the same thing. I don't know. I'm very curious as to what's going on here. That part I don't know. I'm going to have to go back and look at my order I don't know why I would order 2 of these. I don't know. Anyways, I got the lip injection, which is right here. And this smells good. It smells like candy or something. That's something I do like about Too Faced. Some of theirs just smell so good. And it's the Ultimate Lip Plumper. It doesn't really say what scent it's in, but it looks like to me it's just clear. But it's got a pinkish hue, and it smells really good. Oh yeah, I think I had the small sample of this in my purse. Now I've got the full size. My one in my purse was running out, and it was teeny tiny, so that'll work out great. And then it looks like I got a couple of these pina coladas. I don't understand. I'm almost certain I didn't buy 2, but this is pina colada, and it's jelly gloss by Too Faced. So sure enough, smells like pina colada. Okay, I gotta try this. Tastes like pina colada. Woo, yeah, I'm gonna like that. Yummy, yummy. I'm glad I got 2 of them, even if I bought it accidentally. I'm happy. Yay, yay, yay. And I'm dropping this in because I had one more item that I purchased. I got the BoxyCharm eyeliner or lip liner a while back, so I decided to get another one when they had another color, and this is the Brooklyn, and it's BoxyCharm, and it's an essential lip liner, and it's really packaged up good here. I don't know if I can get it open, but I at least want to show you this. I've been loving the rose color one that I got, and I've been wearing a little bit more brown colors on the lip liners because I think I got one from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Probably got that through BoxyCharm as their pick, and I've actually ended up liking it. So I thought I would get another one when they had it for $3. And look at that. It's a very nice liner. It's going to be brownish color. I mean, you could probably almost use that for your eyes. But it glides right on. And of course, I made a little bit of a mess there. I still have my plumpers on. But anyways, love that. So I got that. I like it. And it was $3. I even like that better. Now, the last thing I bought was a $128 value. And they had it for $25. It's been in the shop off and on for sale for $50 was the lowest I ever seen it. But they finally had the Pat MaGraff down to $25. This is heavy. Wow. I think Mary got this and she said it was heavy, and she's right. It's very heavy. Mary Catherine Loves Cats. She got the BoxyCharm. My girlfriend Carol will get the BoxyCharm. And there's a few others that get the BoxyCharm. I think Lois does, Life with Lois. And, oh, I don't know who all gets this box, but there's a bunch of us that get this box. But this palette is in nice packaging. And inside it, we have the Pat MaGraff LAB. And I don't even know if I have that upside down or not. I'm not going to peel it off. I'm going to see if I can get it open. Ooh, look at this. This is heavy duty. It's got a beveled mirror. I know you can see that beveled mirror. So right there, that's probably part of the reason it's so heavy. But my goodness, look at those colors. Wow. And I would never pay $128 for a palette. So, but $25, yeah, I'll do that. This is gorgeous. Wow. My box is falling. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. I mean, it wouldn't have hurt anything if it would have dropped, except make a lot of noise. But it's gold on the back, so this is flashy. This is heavy. Oh my goodness. I'm so glad I have it in my collection. And there's no other way I would have been able to afford something like that. So that's the great thing about BoxyCharm. The bad thing is you spend more money than you realize, that's for sure. And I do that all the time. But I am real pleased with my purchases. I love this palette. I even like this little palette because this is pretty in itself. So I'll get a good look out of both of those. I love my lip balms that I got. I still don't know why I got two. I don't know the value of what they picked out for me, but I would say this is at least $40, if not more, combined. And I'll confirm that and let y'all know, but I more than got my money's worth of my $36 just with these two products that they picked for me. I think these brushes were around $70 or $80, but now I don't remember, so don't hold me to it. And then first aid, that's not, you know, that can be on up there in price too. And I don't remember, I think this was around $20, maybe $28. But anyways, that is my BoxyCharm. There's so much here. What do you think? What's your favorite? My favorite's going to be the Pat MaGraff palette. And it wasn't even part of my BoxyCharm, so that was an add-on. If I picked my favorites of everything that I got, I think I'm going to say these brushes are going to be faves. And I think I'm going to really like the Bare Minerals concealer. So I'm excited about these two. I love it all. So you let me know what your picks. Oh, and I forgot about the palette. Of course I love the palette. I always love the palette. Okay guys, that's it. I'm done. Be sure and use a blue heart emoji and or rose if you're participating in the Jubilee gifting that I do once a week. Prizes 1 and 2s on Mass Monday, second Mass Monday of this month, and prizes 3 and 4 just went out on this week's Mass Monday. So you can see what's all up if you're interested. And if you're new here, I'd appreciate you hitting that subscribe button, hitting that like, and even if you're not new, please hit the like. That really helps the algorithm and push this on out. And be a part of my little community. I sure would appreciate it, and I hope will go a long ways too. But anyways, guys, really, that's all I have. Be sure and look out for any other giveaways that might be active. I've got a collab coming out that may already be out or may be out soon, and I've got 2 collabs coming out actually. So one with Carol Gardner and one hosted by Mary Catherine Loves Cats. So be on the lookout for that one. It's Temu Holiday Haul collab. But anyways, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.